Confident. Sure about yourself and your abilities. Sentence: she feels confident before her exam. When you believe in yourself, you feel confident. Curious. Wanting to know or learn something. Sentence: the child is curious about space. When you want to learn more, you are curious. Improve. To make something better. Sentence: I want to improve my English speaking skills. Practice helps you improve. Honest. Telling the truth. Sentence: he is an honest boy. Always try to be honest in life. Difficult. Not easy. Sentence: this question is difficult. But don't worry, difficult things make us stronger. Relax. To rest and feel calm. Sentence: I like to relax after work. Relaxing is important for your mind. Success. Achieving your goal. Sentence: hard work leads to success. Never stop working for success. Proud. Feeling happy about something you did. Sentence: her parents are proud of her. You should feel proud of your achievements. Create. To make something new. Sentence: she loves to create art. You can create your own future. Focus. To give full attention. Sentence: please focus on your studies. Focus helps you learn faster.